Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made my Callaloo Season Rice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Please note guys that all of my recipes are in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Here I have my washed rice. I also have scallion, bell peppers, onion and garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper, my freshly cut callaloo, water, margarine, parsley flakes, coconut milk powder, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, Maggi chicken season up, so guys, now I have my pot that I'm gonna cook my rice in. I'm just gonna add my onion, garlic and Scotch bonnet pepper, and I also add a little vegetable oil, and I'm just gonna combine that together because you want to get all of that flavor. So now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the scallion, and I'm just gonna combine the scallion with the other seasoning. Now it's time to add my bell peppers. And I'm just going to combine that together. Now guys, I'm just going to add the callaloo. And you just want to combine your callaloo with the vegetables. Now I'm just going to add some black pepper. I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Some parsley flakes. And the Maggi chicken season up. After you add all of that seasoning, you're just going to combine all of that together, and you're just going to leave it for a minute. So guys, this is what it looks like after leaving it for a minute. Now it's time to add my washed rice. So guys, now that I've added my washed rice to my vegetables, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the margarine. And I'm just going to combine the rice with the vegetables and the margarine together. You want to combine everything together so that it is evenly distributed. I'm also going to add the coconut milk powder. And you want to combine the coconut milk powder as well so that it will be distributed evenly. So guys, now that I'm finished combining everything together, it's time to add the water. So I'm going to add small amount of water. And then I'm going to leave this to cook for 25 minutes. And I'm going to show you what it looks like while cooking. So guys, this is what my Callaloo rice look like while cooking. So I'm just going to allow this to cook until it's shelly. And then I'll show you what it looks like when finished cooking. So guys, after 25 minutes, this is what my Callaloo rice looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the likes. And see you in the next video.